So this is an old metal lathe. Bought it from my other brother. It's his dad's. If he ever wants it back, of course I'll give it to him. But that. I'm cleaning it up right now. This is kind of before. So I just oiled everything down. Toothbrush and all. Next, I'll get those figured out. Just adapt them to better plugs. But it's kind of the starter. What the hell? One thing you don't want to do is plug in that. Let's see what we got here. This is pretty cool though. That's one light. Now I'm going to start scrubbing on it. This towel's going to become a throwaway. But first I just want to get the large scale stuff off it. Because I've run a couple things on this. Then I let it sit. I should have oiled it and covered it. But when you get done with a project, you want to move on to the next phase of the project, and the tool sometimes it's the one that gets it. But it's not going to clean it up and level it back out. Oil the chuck. I gave this vet a set of collets. It's these right here. Different size collets. And he was so happy. I said, I'll drive it out there. $50. He gave me like $250. And I'd spent, I think it's $1,500 for this. And I think $500 for that. But like I said, that's just, I'll give it to him back in a second. Chucky said I'm a wood shop in Republic and doing metal work up there and fucking, that'd be, I tell you right now, I'd be doing cartwheels. You're in the news that Chucky became this like local artist and craftsman. Fuck, I would help him set this thing up there at his house in Republic, and then just fucking make shit. You say, well, what kind of shit? You could make anything out of metals with this. It does so much. It threads stuff. I mean, quite literally between the two things, a mill and a lathe, you can build anything. All you need is your imagination. This has cogs for motors. I cut my headlight out of this. It's kind of cool to get the old girl kind of clean back up. Let's see what we got here. I'll have to look into the way it doesn't give me very much, does it? What I need to do is get that thing oiled up nice so it glides the way it was intended. This used to have a threader on it, but it bent. It's too much hassle to find another one on it. If I want to thread something, I'll do it a different way. Hey!